The TikTok Shop affiliate program is blowing up, and if you're not taking advantage of this opportunity, you are missing out on thousands of dollars every single month. Right here, every single product in front of me, I got sent to me for free, all thanks to TikTok Shop affiliates. In the last 30 days, I've done over $3,500 in commissions paid out to me, and that is pure profit, and that does not include the thousands of dollars of free product that are being sent to me on a daily basis. So today, I wanna show you guys the products that I've gotten for free and how you guys can replicate the same exact process. You guys need to make sure to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. And also drop a comment down below and let me know your favorite product that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So I want to highlight just a few products that are absolutely crushing it. Right here is a water flosser making a lot of money. Right here is a gun safe. This thing is incredible, super cool. It's a smart gun safe. You can open it from your phone. We've got cameras. We've got light bulb cameras. We've got smart scales. We've got neck massagers. We've got cupping massagers. We've got tire pressure, tire inflators. We've got this thing right here. It's an Anbernic device that has all of the best like Game Boy games, PSP games. Like honestly, that was one of my favorite products. We've got a toaster oven right here. We've got a hydrogen water bottle. You guys get the point. There are product after product, and it's all thanks to TikTok Shop affiliates. So the secret and the key to getting these products for free is number one, just get started. You guys have to go and start creating content and put yourself out there. And I see a lot of people that are like, hey, I'm not able to get any free stuff. And it's like, well, you haven't even made a video yet. Start making as many videos as possible. And once you start getting some traction, and all you need is 1 or 2 commissions, that's when brands start recognizing you. And this is where the magic happens. So we're gonna dive into my phone. I'm gonna show you guys some different strategies on how to actually get these brand deals. But the first tip is you have to start posting. You have to start taking action, because if you don't do that, then you can't get all these products. And what's crazy is this is just like half of the products, and I have more products on the way, and there's some products that are so big that I can't even show you, like a air purifier. We've got vacuums. We got a portable refrigerator that is a cooler. So I'm telling you guys, this opportunity is unbelievable. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into my phone, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you're going to do that. So there's a few different ways, and just to show you guys, this is inside my TikTok Shop Creator Center. So in the last 7 days, I've done $1,200, which is just absolutely unbelievable. If we come over here to custom, we come over here to a date range, we'll come to the 24th to, I guess it only lets me go like the last 28 days, or I guess 30 days. And as you can see, 3.4K. And that is straight profit, which is just crazy. So once you guys get signed up for TikTok Shop affiliates, if you guys need a full video, I have a video, I'll put it down below. It takes you through the entire A to Z process. But once you get signed up, you're going to have your TikTok Shop Creator Center that looks just like this. And if you come over here to the TikTok Shop Toolkit, you'll come over here to Manage Samples. And this is where there's several different ways to get basically free product, but this is the easiest. So there is a way for you to go in and request samples from sellers. There's an additional way. Once you get to a certain tier, TikTok actually gives you points that you can use to buy products completely free. So as you can see, my current tier is level 5, and it didn't really take me that long to get to that. I think that's the highest tier, but they gave me 160,000 points to go buy whatever products I want, and I still have 28,000 points that I can go purchase more. So again, the key to getting that unlocked is just by posting and getting as many product videos up as humanly possible. I uploaded probably 60 videos before I got that unlocked, and now I think we're close to 100 videos. I'd need to go and count exactly. If you guys want to check out my profile, it's at Trevin Peterson. But right there is one way, is just getting those unlocked, and TikTok will give you points for free. The next is right here. If you come over here, these are the orders that I have requested samples for. So these are products that I have on the way right now. We've got a socket fan light. We've got an Anker mini projector. We've got some shoe cleaner. As you guys can see, I love shoes, so I'm super excited about that shoe cleaner. We've got an Anker Powerhouse, basically portable battery charger, and that thing is $200, and they're sending that to me. And what you can do is we'll come over here back to my dashboard, And let's say I want to get this particular product. So it is a garden retractable hose, which I'm actually in the market for this. And what I'll do is, as it says, get free sample, I'll come over here, click on this, and then I'll click on the product, and then I'll hit request sample. And I'm going to do that right now. And I request the sample. It's going to send it to my address. I'm going to hit submit. And then from there it says request submitted. Now, just because you requested it doesn't guarantee that you're going to get it. The seller has to go in and approve it. And this is where it's important to have some history and to have videos in your backlog and to have commissions made from other products. And this is why I'm able to get literally any product I want, because I have that history. And so in the very beginning, what I did is I spent $100. And if you guys think $100 is a lot, then you should not start a business. And that's just my personal opinion. But I took $100 and I went and bought a few products. None of these, all these I got for free, but I bought a couple products. And those are the products that I went and did reviews for. I did specific product research, and I have a video breaking down how to find the best products to make videos about. I'll link that down below. So we have a A to Z tutorial, then we have a product research tutorial, and then this is how to get free products tutorial. So once I went and bought those, I started making videos. And as I started making videos, I started getting commissions. And those commissions are crucial because when you go and request a sample, the seller is able to see how much revenue you have generated. And so if you have generated nothing, then you're not going to be able to get any free product whatsoever. And they're going to reject that request. So again, get products, get a few commissions. And when I'm talking a few commissions, all you need is a couple dollars in commissions. So selling 1 or 2 or 3 products, that's it. And then from there, it's game on, and you're going to get more product than you can even handle. So that's the first way, is by requesting the sample. And then the next way is to get the levels unlocked, like I just showed you guys on TikTok, where they give you points and then you can go buy with points. And then the next way is to actually reach out to these brands. So I'll show you guys exactly how we do that. So let's say I want to get, let's say these joggers. And I'm like, hey, I want to get these joggers. And we'll come over here, and it actually doesn't let me. So that's a great example. It doesn't let me reach out to the seller. But right here, you can see, this is a great example. I can get the sample paid by TikTok Shop. So I have 28,000 points available, and I can click right here, and it costs 18,000 points, and I could get those with my points. So that is the one way. Or you can come right here and hit contact seller, and you can chat with the seller. You'll send them a message and say, hey, I would love to make a video for about your product, promoting your product, and I could make 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to offer them in return for you to send me a free sample. And you just reaching out to that seller is going to show them that, hey, you're interested, you mean business, and that is another great way to reach out. So if you're not able to request samples, again, in order to request samples, you have to have a certain minimum. You have to be able to show that you've generated commissions, and then sometimes you have to have a certain number of followers depending on the seller. Some sellers set certain requirements and basically restrictions for you to basically be able to request a sample or not. But again, anybody can go and contact the seller directly. So that's what you're going to do. First, you're going to start posting, you're going to start taking action, you're going to find the best products, and you're going to spend $100 or so buying the best products. Some of these products, like this product is, I think it's like $20 or so. This product is like $25. This product is like $30. This one is another one that's like $8, and I've actually generated quite a bit of commissions off of this. It's a teeth whitening kit. The other ones are probably like $50, $100, $200 plus products, but you can go buy 5, 10 products that are lower than like $20. And then from there, you start making videos, you start getting those commissions, you start gaining some traction, and then you start requesting those samples, you start reaching out to the seller. And then as you slowly build up your account, TikTok will give you those points that you can then go buy products and get them for free. Now, this is the complete A to Z process on how I was able to literally get thousands of dollars of products sent to me completely free. I hope you guys take advantage of this strategy, because honestly, TikTok Shop is unbelievable, and it can change your guys' lives. You guys just need to take action. So again, I'll put the links to the videos on how to find products on the A to Z process. And if you guys need additional help, you guys can feel free to reach out, and I'll put a link as well down below with more information about that. But this is exactly what I've done. I started this, and I just can't, like, I just keep getting products. It's absolutely insane. So if you guys are looking for the best way and one of the easiest ways to make money online, this is one of the best opportunities I've ever seen, and it doesn't require an insane amount of capital. To get up and started, the account is free. You have to buy just a few of the products. Again, $100 worth. If you guys are scared to spend $100 and get cool products, then don't start a business. But once you do that, then every single product right here is completely free. And I see it in the comments. Everyone's like, oh, well, you have to buy all this inventory and have to do this. And it's like, no, I'm literally getting thousands of dollars of inventory sent to me for free. Now, in the beginning, there's some more legwork. It takes some time, but it's going to be worth it in the long run. So that is the A to Z process on how to get products for free using TikTok Shop affiliates. Please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your guys' support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, let me know in the comments down below first what your favorite product is and what videos you want to see in the future and what questions you have, and maybe I'll make a video about it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.